High above the rugged terrain, a shadow glides silently across the vast sky. The Cinereous Vulture, a master of the thermals, moves with a grace that belies its imposing size. Its dark plumage absorbs the sun's warmth as it surveys the open landscapes below, a patient sentinel in a world shaped by wind and stone. This journey reveals the life of the Cinereous Vulture, exploring its adaptations for long-distance soaring and its vital role as a scavenger. Against a backdrop of diminishing food sources and human disturbance, we witness how this ancient bird navigates survival, sustained by open-air currents and the fragile balance of carrion availability. With wings stretched wide, the vulture harnesses rising air currents to soar effortlessly over mountains and plains. Its broad wingspan is central to this energy-efficient flight, reducing the need for constant flapping. This skill enables it to cover great distances while searching for carrion, an essential resource in its ecosystem amid fluctuating food supplies. The vulture's keen eyes scan the earth below, detecting subtle cues that signal the presence of carrion. Its dark feathers provide camouflage against rocky outcrops, while its powerful flight muscles allow sudden shifts in direction when opportunity arises. This balance of stealth and strength helps it maintain its place in a competitive scavenger landscape. Yet survival is challenged by changes in land use and prey availability, prompting shifts in the vulture's range and behavior. Conservation efforts focus on restoring natural carrion sources and protecting nesting sites, critical measures that support the resilience of this species, whose existence intertwines with the health of mountainous habitats and open wildlands. Above vast open landscapes and rugged mountains, the Cinereous Vulture unfolds its massive wingspan. These broad wings catch the rising thermal currents, allowing the bird to soar effortlessly for hours. Each gentle updraft provides a silent lift, conserving energy as the vulture scans the earth below for the faintest signs of carrion. The Cinereous Vulture's soaring style is an adaptation to both its size and ecological niche. With wings stretched wide, the bird covers great distances, minimizing the need for tiring wing beats. This efficient glide is crucial in habitats where food may be scarce and widely dispersed, supporting an essential role in scavenging and ecosystem health. As it rides the thermal currents, the vulture's sharp eyesight penetrates the landscape for carcasses hidden by terrain or vegetation. This patient search can span many kilometers, linking the bird's soaring ability with its survival strategy. The ability to remain aloft with minimal effort extends the time available to locate food in challenging environments. Declining food availability and human disturbance are increasing pressures on these soaring masters. Limited carrion and fewer undisturbed nesting sites mean these birds must travel farther, their vast wings cutting through air heavy with uncertainty. Conservation efforts focus on protecting crucial habitats and ensuring the persistence of carrion resources that sustain this scavenger. The Cinereous Vulture remains a symbol of endurance, navigating shifting skies with quiet resilience. Its imposing silhouette, framed by endless blue, demonstrates a remarkable balance between size and soaring efficiency. Every sweep of its broad wings tells a story of adaptation, an intricate dance between biology and the demanding environment it has come to command. The Cinereous Vulture is built to exploit the remnants of life left behind. With a powerful, hooked beak, it tears through tough hides and sinews, accessing nourishment where others cannot. This specialization allows it to play a crucial role in ecosystems, recycling nutrients from carcasses abandoned by other predators or decomposed by time. In the open expanses and rugged mountain heights, these vultures scan vast landscapes from soaring heights. Their immense wingspan lets them glide effortlessly, conserving energy while searching for carrion over great distances. This patient approach is vital in environments where food can be scarce and scattered, demanding endurance and acute visual perception. The Cinereous vulture's feeding habits are shaped by a landscape in flux. Declining availability of carrion strains their survival, as does human disturbance near nesting and feeding grounds. These pressures challenge the vulture's ability to fulfill its ecological role, emphasizing the delicate balance required to maintain healthy scavenger populations. Adaptations go beyond the bill. Their strong, muscular necks help pull apart flesh, while a digestive system adapted to handle decaying meat protects them against pathogens. These features enable them to consume remains that would be toxic to many other species, reinforcing their unique niche among scavengers. Conservation efforts focus on ensuring these vultures have reliable sources of carrion and secure nesting habitats high in their mountainous domains. Protecting these critical resources supports their low-density populations, allowing the specialists to persist amid shifting environmental pressures and maintain their vital role in the cycle of life and decay. High above the rugged terrain, the Cinereous vulture glides with unwavering purpose. Its piercing eyes sweep vast landscapes, scanning below for subtle movements. This majestic bird's keen eyesight allows it to detect life from great heights, a delicate signal amid the empty expanses of mountains and open plains. Every shadow and flicker holds potential, guiding it toward nourishment. The vulture's exceptional vision is finely tuned to spot signs of feeding activity on the ground. Often, it locates carrion by watching other scavengers gathering below, their presence marking the whereabouts of a meal. This strategic advantage conserves energy, enabling the vulture to identify food sources without unnecessary effort, vital in landscapes where carrion is scarce and widely dispersed. As the bird soars, its broad wings exploiting thermal updrafts, the eyes remain locked on patterns of life far beneath. Movement or a cluster of shapes can reveal hidden opportunities. This receptor-driven hunting style reflects an evolved partnership between sensory prowess and soaring skill, crucial for survival where food availability is a constant challenge shaped by shifting environmental pressures. Careful observation of the environment extends beyond direct sightings. The vulture interprets signs in the terrain and air currents, reading the landscape with acute awareness. Through this precision, it navigates the expanse efficiently, balancing the need to conserve energy with the urgency to feed. The harsh realities of diminishing carrion compel a reliance on every sensory edge to sustain life in the open wilderness. This steadfast reliance on vision defines the vulture's role in its ecosystem. By locating carrion quickly, it aids in the natural process of decomposition and nutrient cycling. Yet, the increasing scarcity of remains and disruption of habitats test this delicate balance. The Cinereous vulture's sharp eyesight remains a vital tool in confronting these challenges, sustaining its presence across demanding and in the vast expanses of open landscapes and rugged mountains. The Cinereous vulture claims its solitary dominion. Despite its staggering wingspan that commands the sky, this giant of the scavenger world often moves alone or with a single companion, a quiet figure against the shifting winds. Yet, when the promise of abundant carrion appears, it joins others in a rare congregation. Solitary by nature, these vultures employ an efficient soaring technique, riding thermal currents with minimal effort. Their vast wings glide silently over miles of terrain, searching for the sparse resources that sustain them. When a significant carcass is found, multiple vultures gather, their presence reducing the threat posed by more aggressive scavengers. This group feeding moment highlights the interplay between cooperative advantage. The Cinereous vulture's preference for open, mountainous regions shapes more than its flight. It molds its social rhythm. Extended periods of solitary foraging conserve energy in an environment where food is unpredictable. But each gathering at a feeding site strengthens survival chances, as numbers can deter competitors like foxes or ravens. This strategic flexibility illustrates an adaptation to ecological encounters between these imposing birds are marked by subtle shifts rather than boisterous displays. The immense wings fold smoothly as they settle near a carcass, eyeing surroundings with sharp vigilance. While not inherently social, their ability to share feeding grounds displays a form of connection influenced by necessity rather than affinity. This balance between isolation and interaction is a critical survival. In the quiet moments after a meal, these vultures rise again, their powerful wings sculpting the cold mountain air. Each soaring glide balances energy expenditure with the need to seek future sustenance. Their careful use of soaring currents reflects a life attuned to scarcity, each flight deliberate, each gathering essential. As they vanish into the horizon, they remain a testament to resilience in landscapes where the Cinereous vulture glides silently above rugged mountain ranges and open landscapes, its immense wingspan catching thermal currents with effortless grace. More than a mere flight of grace, this soaring is a vital adaptation, allowing the bird to seek out scattered remains across vast territories. In these wide expanses, the vulture plays a crucial role, cleaning the environment by by feeding on dead animal remains. The Cinereous vulture acts as a natural recycler within its ecosystem. This scavenging behavior accelerates the breakdown of organic matter that might otherwise harbor pathogens or attract other, potentially more harmful animals. Through these processes, the vulture contributes to controlling disease spread among wildlife populations, supporting the health of the entire ecological community it inhabits. The ecological role of the Cinereous vulture extends beyond simple consumption. It is a key participant in nutrient cycling. As it metabolizes carrion, nutrients locked within decaying bodies return gradually to the soil, fostering plant growth. In this way, the bird's presence helps maintain the balance of energy flow through these mountain and open land ecosystems, shaping patterns of life where it flies and feeds. Yet, the survival of the Cinereous vulture depends heavily on the availability of carrion. Changes in wildlife populations, habitat disturbance, and human activity can severely reduce food sources. This decline in available remains pressures the vultures to travel further and endure greater energetic costs in their search, challenging their ability to fulfill this essential ecological function across vast, often inhospitable conservation efforts focusing on protecting nesting sites and increasing carrion availability aim to stabilize Cinereous vulture populations. By understanding the interconnected roles of these scavengers and their environment, scientists and conservationists hope to preserve the delicate balance these birds help maintain. Their continued presence is a testament to an ecosystem's capacity for renewal and the vital, ongoing cycle of life and decay.